Alright guys, this is my 2002 Astro Van, all-wheel drive. I just got it and did a new top end on it, and got everything tuned really nice and thought it was good to go. It was about 30 hours of work because it was my first time doing it, and it just took me a little bit to do, and finally got it running good. And then I realized when we got the first snow that the all-wheel drive wasn't working. I was thinking the worst is going to be the transfer case. I did get a service all-wheel drive light, and I used an Android app. To read the transmission codes, because I was using a different app called Torque, and it wasn't reading the transmission codes. It was just doing the engine codes. And then I'm looking up the app right now so I can tell you. It's called Car Scanner, and I got it for free, and it read my drivetrain codes. And I can check and see what code I was getting. I got a basic code for drivetrain issues. I'm trying to see if I still have it. I should. I may have deleted it, but I'll find out and I'll put it in the info about the video. But anyways, what I ended up doing, I thought it was the worst. I thought it was the encoder motor, which those are like $500 if you get the OEM one. I actually ordered one on eBay that was rebuilt, and before it got here I figured out what the issue was, and it wasn't that. But a lot of people say those encoder motors are the things that cause the issue with the all-wheel drive. So I found one for $50. I figured it was a good deal for $50 to figure out real quick if it's that or not. But I'll show you what I ended up doing. It ended up being a speed sensor, and if you look up here, the speed sensor right up here, there's 3 sensors on this 2002, right up there, right where the rear drive shaft comes up into the transfer case. I pulled that out, and then I cleaned it off, and when I cleaned it off, I put it all back together, and I made sure I cleared the all the codes again. And once I cleared the codes, sure enough, my all-wheel drive started working. And now I was gonna order a new one, but then sure enough, it's just been working ever since. So I might just keep cleaning it if it goes out again. But anyways, if your issue is the encoder motor, you can look up videos, or you can look up codes that point to that, because I believe it's a different code than the one I got. Mine was just like a general drivetrain code that I read on my ODB2 reader. But this is your encoder motor on the passenger side. You can see above this plate. So I was told, I haven't taken it off, but yeah, that's how you would change the encoder motor if that's your issue. But other than that, that's my video on how to give you some advice on how to fix your all-wheel drive on your Astro Van. If you have any other questions, I've dug pretty deep into these vans, like on the Astro Van forums and such. So if you have any questions about these, like I said, I rebuilt the top end, tuned the timing, and pretty far just about everything on these vans I've done. So yeah, shoot me a message or subscribe and comment on my video if you have questions, or check me out at lifemodder.com, my blog, and we'll be sending you more videos. So that's my 2002 4-inch lift Astro Van. So thanks a lot for viewing.